Hi there. Today, I'll demonstrate how to utilize my RingBuffer library. I've selected a board where UART is enabled by default, which I'll be using to print debug messages. To install the library, navigate to the software pack and add the installation link. Oh, I forgot to copy the link. Let me grab that quickly. Visit my GitHub repository, where you'll find the installation link in the caption. Select the correct link and click Copy. Now, click on this button. Now, click on New, paste the link, then press Check and OK. The repository has been added. Close the window and proceed with the installation if it's not already installed. Next, go to the Middleware tab and select the library. It's now added to the project. The next step is to enable it. That's it. This library uses heap memory. You can choose the heap size based on your needs. Set other configurations and generate the project. I've written the test code, and now I'll show it to you. Include the RBUF header to use the library and stdio for debugging. Declare a pointer of RBUF handle and a string for debugging. Before using the RingBuffer, it's important to initialize the pointer. The first parameter represents the size of each element in bytes, and the next parameter indicates the number of elements that the RingBuffer can store. In this case, I want to store 32-bit variables. In these two lines, I want to print the available elements in memory. Now, I declare a 32-bit variable to use it for writing into the buffer. I use the push function 3 times to store different values in the buffer. Now, print the available memory again. And declare another variable to store read data and print it. I read the buffer 3 times and print its contents. And print the available memory again. Now, let's compile and see the result. As you can see, the pointer is initialized correctly. "64 available elements are printed. Now, after 3 pushes, it should be 61. As you can see, the first data that was pushed is now printed as the first one. All data has been read, and now 64 elements are available again. If you found my libraries and video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving a star on the GitHub page. Your support is greatly appreciated.